Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter.
Sherry from Sherry's Coffee Break.
And has anybody heard of a dash button? We each have a dash button, and so for the month of January, I pushed my dash yesterday. My package came today. It looks like this. It's called Prime Surprise Sweets.
It's from Amazon Prime.
And we're going to open it and give you a little bit of a review. So when you first open up the box, there's a piece of paper in it. This is how they introduce it. On the back of the paper, they have what the contents are.
And on mine, it's upside down.
Yeah, it's right side up.
It is now. See, now it's upside down on yours.
That's okay.
Okay.
So let's begin here. The first thing at the top of the box is a chocolate peanut butter fudge. It looks like a two little
It's fudge.
bar brownie. Fudge. Looks like a brownie, but it's fudge. The second thing in here is by Cuckooza. Looks like gourmet popcorn, gingerbread cookie flavored. It says it's handcrafted in Seattle. There you go. We have, in case you don't know, we have two different cameras going because we're each doing it for our own YouTube channel. The next thing is milk chocolate creme brulee truffles, individually wrapped, and it says Sweet Cravings on it. And the last item in the box is milk chocolate with toasted coconut, bite-sized cookies.
I'm not even recording on mine.
And I'll be giving these away because I do not care for coconut.
I get him, yay.
So she gets them.
Yay.
Well, that's it for the unboxing. See you next time on my YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.